I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, mostly in the mid-40s to the mid-50s in snow-covered areas, in the upper 50s over west central to southwest Nebraska. We'll see northwest winds gust to 40 tomorrow in behind a cold front, increasing those fire concerns over west and central areas with no snow cover. Widespread highs in the mid to upper 50s expected tomorrow. Saturday is nicer with lighter winds and highs in the mid-60s to around 70. Could see some light rain for Saturday night with the passage of a cold front. Highs behind that front on Sunday drop into the 50s. Sunday, a day to watch for increased fire concerns when low pressure along the Nebraska-South Dakota border leads to wind gusts of 30 to 40. A building ridge of high pressure warming our highs into the low to mid-60s Monday, then up to around 70 for Tuesday and Wednesday. Checking our long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Tuesday through the first 2 days of April stay warmer than normal. Precipitation for Nebraska and Kansas indicated to be mostly near normal Tuesday through April 2nd. In the regional drought monitor that includes data up until Tuesday of this week, not the recent blizzard, Nebraska remains at just under 2% drought-free. Drought-free to abnormally dry areas are still around Phelps and Harlan counties, Perkins to Dundee County, and the far southeast. Most other locations of central, southwest, and eastern Nebraska, along with the southeast panhandle, remain in moderate drought. Severe drought continues its hold on Custer County to the north central and northeast, and the middle areas of the panhandle, holding steady at 8% of Nebraska. Extreme drought is over the northwest panhandle and a few spots in northern Cherry County. Kansas dropped 3 percentage points to 10% drought-free. It's drought-free to abnormally dry in the northwest, west central areas south of I-70, and much of eastern Kansas. Moderate to severe drought coverage increased 21 percentage points to 49% in Kansas, including much of the north, central, and the southwest. Key weather factors affecting the markets include several chances of precipitation in the U.S., but not much in key wheat areas, continued mixed weather across South America, and warm and overly dry conditions sticking around for the Black Sea region. Thunderstorms are possible along a cold front along the mid-Atlantic coast this late day. Across the plains and Midwest, cool and blustery conditions linger. Tomorrow morning, freezes could reach deep into the southeast U.S., including portions of Alabama, Georgia, and Mississippi, with possible impacts on blooming fruits and other sensitive vegetation. Breezy to windy weather maintains an elevated fire threat on the southern plains and nearby locations, continuing an unfavorable trend for wheat that is greening up. East central Brazil is receiving needed rain in previously very dry second crop corn areas, while the west central continues with beneficial rain. South Brazil is drier now, but may see rain this weekend into next week. Argentina, that's been mostly dry the last couple of weeks, expects possibly heavy and widespread rain and thunderstorms for filling corn and soybeans this weekend into next week. The Black Sea region that has mostly poor conditions with limited soil moisture for wheat coming out of dormancy only expects spotty rain that favors the northwest the next few days. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.